Hello Fanatics! With our review of Peppermint coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! John Wick is an action thriller directed by Chad Stahelski and David Leitch, starring Keanu Reeves, Michael Nyqvist, and Alfie Allen. It follows the story of an ex-hitman who's forced out of retirement after a group of gangsters take everything from him. This film has similar story elements, action, tone, style, and themes. There's extremely graphic violence and intense scenes throughout. FEMME Nikita is an action thriller directed by Luc Besson, starring Anne Perelot, Marc Duray, and Patrick Fontana. It follows the story of Nikita, a convicted felon who is given a new identity and trained as a ruthless assassin. This film has similar story elements, action, tone, style, and characters. There is mild nudity and graphic violence throughout. Columbiana is an action thriller directed by Olivier Megaton, starring Zoe Saldana, Michael Vartan, and Callum Blue. It follows the story of a young woman who, after witnessing her parents' murder as a child, grows up to be a stone-cold assassin. This film has similar story elements, action, tone, style, characters, and themes. There is mild nudity and some violent scenes throughout. Salt is an action thriller directed by Philip Noyce, starring Angelina Jolie, Liev Schreiber, and Chiwetel Ejiofor. It follows the story of a CIA agent who becomes a fugitive when a defector names her as a Russian spy. This film has similar story elements, action, tone, style, and characters. There are many violent scenes throughout. Lucy is an action sci-fi directed by Luc Besson, starring Scarlett Johansson, Morgan Freeman, and Min-Sik Choi. It follows the story of a woman who gains increased cognitive function after accidentally absorbing a neotropic drug into her bloodstream. This film has similar story elements, action, tone, style, and characters. There are some violent and intense scenes throughout. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did Peppermint. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film Peppermint. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.